Of all the questions car owners have to deal with, how much is car insurance? Is probably the trickiest. Buying a car is already a big thing. Cars cost a lot, and most people have to use a car loan or a company loan to secure the purchase. Car maintenance is another thing, because you can't just buy a car and not take care of it. Regular engine checkups, tire rotations, even your occasional car wash, they all cost something. Add to that the rising price of gasoline, and you're set for life. With all these car-related expenses, it's no surprise that most car owners are doubtful about, if not totally against, the idea of car insurance. Another added expense to an already long list of expenses? No thank you. Car insurance, like all other types of insurance, is basically protection against the unexpected. As drivers, we have full control over most of the conditions we find ourselves in. Most of the time, we know what to expect. We have control over how fast we're going, or what route to take on our way to our destination. We have control over how prepared and well-maintained our car is. More importantly, we have control over how we're driving. We can choose to be defensive, not reckless. We can certainly control our tempers, and we can certainly make sure that we follow all the rules of the road. With all this in mind, what then are we protecting ourselves against? As responsible and conscientious car owners and drivers, we can certainly prevent unexpected things from happening. But to be perfectly honest, there's that tiny margin of possibility for the unexpected to happen, and it's a tiny margin that will not go away. We can control how we drive, but we can't control how others do. We can control how prepared or well-maintained our car is, but we can't control the conditions of the road, much less the weather. Reckless drivers, crossing animals, thunderstorms, flash floods, these are things we have no control over, and they have a tendency of occurring when we least expect them to. This is where car insurance comes in. The truth is, it's all a matter of perspective. We always need to see both sides of the coin to decide, and in the case of car insurance, the other side deserves to be seen in a clearer manner. If we view car insurance as an annoying expense that's mostly just a necessary evil, then that's what it will always be. As we begrudgingly make those monthly payments, we will always do so with heavy hearts. However, if we look at it as an investment, as a safeguard, as a life vest that will keep our car from drowning in the rare but possible case that it sinks, then that's an entirely different story. As we make those monthly payments, we'll do so with smiles on our faces, because we know we're saving ourselves from an even bigger expense and an even bigger headache, just in case the unexpected does happen. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.